In this video, I will show you how to subscript text in Google Sheet. Visit this site and here you will find all type of symbol. You have to find out superscript. Once you find out it, just copy and paste anywhere. Same, you can find out subscript and copy and paste it. That's it. Thanks for watching.